Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. Here you can see it, 0x80070005. So for fixing it we just need to go to our search tab, so just open it. And in search tab we need to write CMD, it means that we will open our command prompt. And we need to enter some command in command prompt, so let's start. Reg CVR32 slash quartz dot dll and just click enter. So I hope that it will help you, but you can see that in my version it doesn't help me, so I also have this error again, but sometimes it can help you. So just close it, and another thing you can try is just to go to search tab and just write in search tab troubleshoot. Here you can see troubleshoot settings, so just open it. Here you choose troubleshoot, Windows update, and choose the run troubleshooter. So now Windows will automatically detect all the problems, fix issues, and fix missing files, errors, and just showed you a list of errors. And after you see it, you just need to restart your computer and these errors will be fixed automatically. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.